it's your girl Lexi, and today I'm going to be showing you my first Ipsy bag that I got from Ipsy. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for the Ipsy bag, this is April, the month of April. And yeah, and it's really cute. It has it's like lemons, cause spring and everything. And they give you a card, and it's just like kind of like a welcoming card, like like the new season, fresh spring beauty. And then when you open it, you have all the stuff that you got and everything. Yeah, and it tells you, tells about it, tips you how to use it. And also, guys, if you want one, you can go to ipsy.com, and it's only $10 a month for samples. It's not like the little samples, it's like big sample, well, medium sized samples, not like huge. It's like medium size, but it's a really decent size. Yeah, it's really good. The first thing that I got is the highlighter, and I really like this highlighter. This highlighter is it was like really good. If you're wondering why I have like brushes in here, I'm gonna be trying this stuff on the video. So yeah. So I have the Ofra highlighter. Then I have this lotion. It smells really good. It has like kind of like a cocoa / citrus smell, which I really do like. It's body buttercream triple citrus blend, and it smells amazing. Next thing is this kind of little highlighter eyeshadow. It's a little eyeshadow. The sample is like really small, but cause I looked at the actual like palette, is actually like a pan size eyeshadow pan from the eyeshadow palette, and I just got it on my finger. Lovely. That's what it looks like, and I guess I'll swatch it for you guys because I already had it on my thumb, so I might as well just, so that's what it looks like. I mean, like, I like it, but I want to say it's like my fave color, but yeah, it's decent. Next thing, I got this eyeliner. I won't be trying on this eyeliner because I already have one, because I'm kind of skeptical on using other eyeliners, especially because like it's not like a regular sponge eyeliner. It's kind of like, it looks like kind of like a brushy kind of thing, and I'm not really into that. Kind of scared to like if I mess up and stuff. So lastly, I have this berry juice, I guess kind of a jelly, like a gel lip gloss. Yeah, and it's really good actually. I actually do like it. And it's like this. It's like a decent sized lip gloss thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna swatch it. Like, it has like a tint to it, and it's not like the oil slick type of like lip glosses. It's really like it's not sticky either. It's like in between basically. It's like a nice moisturized, and it feels like really good. So guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to kind of wipe off all of this, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I wiped off the swatches things off my hands, and I'm going to be putting on the Ofra highlighter. And I actually like this highlighter very much. It's like it gives like that soft glow that's just, it's just amazing. So yeah, I'm going to be using my fan brush, and it's It Cosmetics brush from Ulta. Yeah, I'm just gonna be putting that on. I'm gonna be looking into my mini Huda Beauty palette for the mirror part. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on. Eyelash. So I don't know if you guys can like see like the reflection and stuff. And then I'm gonna take my pinky dab and just put it on like the bridge of my nose. So, and then also I'm going to take the Morphe Jack and Hill JH42 for my brow bone. And then now I'm going to take this brush. Oh, I'm done with the highlighter now. I'm gonna take this brush, Morphe Jack and Hill JH39. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner just for a pop of color. So I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's the blue. And guys, I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. So yeah, be right back. So guys, I'm back, doing my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and now I'm going to go more into depth with this Ipsy bag. So this is obviously, like I said in the beginning, this is the April bag. Each month has different bags, and Ipsy, before you even get anything, you have to take a quiz to so they can know what types you like. It goes from hair products to nails to lips to contour to blush to highlight to tools like brushes, to skincare, to actual makeup, and different stuff that you like, and also your skin texture, like if it's dry, oil, oiliness and stuff. And then also, it's only $10 a month for samples like that. Obviously, you saw the samples. They're kind of like reasonable like sizes. And then they also have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month for actual full size products, like literally full sized. And to me, that like that's not like too much, like $25 for actual like good size five samples for like full size. And also here, same thing, 5 samples. And you can get the app on either Google Play Store, or if you guys have iPhones, I guess Apple Store, I guess. Something like that. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!